Hello, let's start today's business news. The Competition Commission of India approved Tata Sons Air India's bid to acquire all of AirAsia India's shares on Tuesday. Prior to the acquisition, Tata Sons owned 83.67% of AirAsia India, while AirAsia Investment Ltd, AAIL, a subsidiary of Malaysia's AirAsia Group, held the remaining interest. In April, Air India considered buying AirAsia. One reward for our valuable audience. I give a shout out to a YouTube subscriber who subscribes our channel. So, if you want to get featured in our videos, please subscribe.